Okay, so here we are in the process of taking the mandala from the rough cob state with all the straw and everything that you can see on here. We've made some leaves, and then we slowly turn them into these very nice edged mandalas. We're also going to put some rocks in the middle. So apparently there's a difference between the kind of material you're using for this. It's using the same clay that we got a long time ago, right? But what's the difference?
It's finer aggregates and finer fiber. With the cob we used like coarse straw and like gravel, and this is sifted sand and sifted horse poo.
Okay.
And it's generally called your brown coat, the leveling coat. And it's more or less going over all the cob, leveling out all the rocky bumpiness to give us an even plane to put our finished coat on, or whatever we choose to do after this.
Colors or whatever.
Color, clay paint, or whatever we see fit.
So it's now actually a really nice time, but it is October, so we're sort of counting the days until we run out of weather. So it's been a really nice September and October. So that's the way of natural building, is you kind of have to go with the weather. So as a compensation for the poor June we had, we're getting a nice September and October. So that's very nice. Also we have some bottles in the wall here, and that shines through quite nicely. Down here we've got an electrical outlet, and we've got a clean out for the plumbing in the kitchen, and then we've got a whole bunch of really beautiful things that Eric and Dion did. These are like wavy pieces. This is all pretty brand new. And let's see, got this nice thing here. So once you clean this off a bit, you can see so we'll put a sealant on this at some point so you can see the really nice color. This will eventually be a great big wave. So Eric's taking care of the mandala here today. It looked beautiful before, but my goodness, it's quite something now.
Just gets better and better with every layer.
It's true, doesn't it?